Auntie Sandra, and today we are going to continue to learn to identify the different sounds that we hear in words. So remember, all you need to do is to listen, listen, listen. Let's begin. What are the sounds you hear in bun? B, n. What are the sounds you hear in fun? F, n. What are the sounds you hear in gun? G, n. What are the sounds you hear in none? N, n. What are the sounds you hear in run? R, n. What are the sounds you hear in sun? S, n. What are the sounds you hear in cub? K, b. What are the sounds you hear in rub? R, b. What are the sounds you hear in tub? T, b. Great job. What are the sounds you hear in bug? B, g. What are the sounds you hear in dog? D, g. What are the sounds you hear in hug? H, g. What are the sounds you hear in jug? J, g. What are the sounds you hear in lug? L, g. What are the sounds you hear in mug? M, g. What are the sounds you hear in rug? R, g. Correct. Good job. What are the sounds you hear in tug? T, g. What are the sounds you hear in bud? B, d. What are the sounds you hear in cod? K, d. What are the sounds you hear in mud? M, d. What are the sounds you hear in sud? S, d. Good job. What are the sounds you hear in butt? B, t. What are the sounds you hear in cut? K, t. Good job. What are the sounds you hear in gut? G, t. What are the sounds you hear in hot? H, t. What are the sounds you hear in nut? N, t. What are the sounds you hear in cup? K, p. What are the sounds you hear in pop? P, p. What are the sounds you hear in sup? S, p. Wow. Give yourselves a big round of applause, children. You are doing great. And I can see that you're having lots of fun. All I need you to do now is to keep practicing. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.